Welcome to the channel Nature and Science.
Hello viewers, my name is DJBD. I am your science man. In this video, we are going to resolve the mystery of a very common effect in refractions. What is refractions? It is the bending of light when light enters from one medium to another medium. Refraction is an important chapter for class 10 and class 12 CBSE. In refractions, what happens? Velocity changes, and because of this change in velocity, bending of light takes place in the refractive medium. But frequency does not change in refractions. Since frequency does not change in refractions, along with the velocity, another important physical term, that is wavelength, has to be changed. But wavelength is the intrinsic property of a particular color. As two persons cannot have the same name, two colors cannot have the same wavelength. Since wavelength changes in refractions, color has to be changed in refraction. But an observer does not see any change in color in refraction. This is the mystery, and we are going to resolve this mystery in this video. But before knowing this, we have to know other two important phenomena. One is how is light formed? Second is why do you see different colors in different objects? When an electron absorbs energy, it gets excited. Then it jumps from a lower energy level or lower orbit in search of higher energy level or higher. In most of the cases, the electron fails to get a suitable energy level, so it has to return back again to the lower energy. In this process, an amazing things happen. During the transitions of the electrons from high energy level to low energy level, it has to lose the extra energy. This extra energy is released in the form of electromagnetic waves. Light is electromagnetic radiations. The spectrum of electromagnetic radiation is very large. It starts from radio waves to gamma rays. But if the frequency or the wavelengths of electromagnetic radiations falls in the visible spectrum, then we can see different colors corresponds to the particular wavelengths or frequency. Now let us come to the topic. Why do you see different colors in different objects? Let us consider a rose with its stem. Suppose white light is incident on this rose with its stem. Now the petals of the rose absorbs the white light along with all the wavelengths and re-emits only the red color, while the stem absorbs the white light and re-emits only green color. So the petals of the rose appears red, while the stem appears green for an observer. But colors of some objects do not belong to any one of the fundamental colors of visible spectrum. Say for instance a brown snail. Brown is not a fundamental color. Here what happens, the surface of the snail absorbs all the wavelengths of the white light incident on it, but re-emits three colors. They are blue, red and yellow. These three colors combines to form brown color. Hence, the snail appears brown for the observer. to resolve the mystery. Suppose we have a block of glass having refractive index 1.5. If a red color of light is incident on this glass block from air, it suffers from refractions. And due to refractions, its wavelength changes. So, inside the glass block, the wavelength of the reflected light corresponds to blue color. A part of the reflected blue light is emitted out and the rest part is scattered away by the constituent particles of the glass block. When this blue light comes out of the glass block, then it suffers from another refractions. And in this case, its wavelength, that is 4666 angstrom, is sensed to 7000 angstrom, and that corresponds to red color. So the color of the light outside the glass block is red, and this red light actually enters into observer's eye. Hence, an observer does not see any change in color in refractions. Thus, our mystery is resolved. So viewers, thanks for watching these videos and do not forget to subscribe my channel Nature and Science such that I can keep you updated for my upcoming videos.